Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy Ricky here. It was a great experience making an ASMR video. This is my first time, so yeah, please pardon those vibrations, those notifications coming on my phone. I'm really sorry, man. But I tried my best. I had to take like 4 takes on this video because of the notifications. Even if I turn my phone into airplane mode, the system notifications are bound to come. I can't really stop it. But damn, it was a great experience. And originally this video wasn't planned. I was planning on making an unboxing video, but I figured out it was pretty aesthetic, so I made an ASMR video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't irrelevant. I'm sorry. And yeah, can we hit 100 likes on this video? It would be totally mad lad if we could. And can we hit 300 subscribers, because I just want it, man. Just do it. Just smash that subscribe button and make sure that subscribe button isn't red, alright? And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.